Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha and it's 10th October today and my birthday was in 8th. I know I'm late on this, but so many of you knew what my plan was for the day. Clicking, eating, vlogging. That's what I had thought, and I got this beautiful decoration done from Surprise Suja, which I'll just show you. So 2 days later, again I'm wearing my birthday dress, sitting on the floor, telling you how my day went. So this was my plan, to get some pretty pictures, vlog the whole day. That's what I had in my mind, but the day was full of so many other things that I actually didn't get to vlog. So here I am, vlogging it 2 days later, telling you how my day went, how my 18th birthday went. So I think let's get started. So my night started on 7th night, 11 PM. I was locked in the room for like an hour, and then this was what I got when I came out of the room.
ओ भाई साहब
ये क्या हुआ? कहाँ से ढूंढ लेते सारा सामान?
आगे चल
ये तो मेरा चार्ट पेपर है।
दोनों तेरे
लेकिन वो आगे
मेरे
आगे
पास टाइम नहीं था कलर करने का मैंने तेरे चार्ट पेपर निकाल दिया ये तेरे चार्ट पेपर
I think this was a beautiful surprise, and such stuff always comes over any materialistic stuff for me. Like handmade stuff is something which is very, very special to me, and a lot of you know that. So any kind of gifts are below this always. So this was what I got. So the night went on with the family, some special gifts, my sister made a beautiful cake for me and she decorated all of it. And then mom did some very pretty decoration, and the rest of the family just gave a lot of love to me. And the night went on talking to friends, family, everyone. And then let's get on to the day now. So the morning started with a lot of happiness, a lot of excitement, a day full of love. Started on a good note. And I got a surprise gift from my friend from Jaipur. I'll just show you. It's a very, very special gift. So here it is. It's a ring light. It's something I've been waiting to buy, and Gauri sent it to me from all the way from Jaipur. And thank you so much. This is the best gift ever. I know it's all dismantled because obviously I've opened it, tried using it. And you'll be seeing a lot of this in my future videos. So thank you so much.
बर्थडे गर्ल
Hello.
क्या चल रहा है फिर
Chalna record. So I received these two cakes. This one is from Daily Cake and this one is from Valentine's Cakery. Thank you guys for sending me these cakes. These are chocolate cakes, and chocolate, as you know, is my favorite flavor. So here it is. Okay, so Valentine's Cakery sent me this beautiful handwritten card, and handwritten stuff is my favorite. So here's what it says. Happy 18th Tanisha, may you always rise and shine and grow. May your day be filled with love and warmth. Sending you a chocolate cake made with love. Hope you would like it. May you bloom in life just like a flower does. Happy birthday. This is so sweet. Thank you so much, Valentine's Cakery. I loved your cake. Thank you, Dial Cake, for this beautiful cake. I love how intricately and how detailed this cake is. I'd love to try it. I'll try and let you do the review. So these are the beautiful cakes which I received from. The pink one, which was matching to my dress, was from Dial Cake, and the other one was from Valentine's Cakery. So thank you guys. I love the cakes, and they were extremely pretty and gorgeous. They made the birthday so special. So thank you so much. So mom and my sister made some amazing food, and the plan was to sit and eat with the family, have a good time, click some pictures. That was the plan. But there is always a but on birthdays. The but you can see in the next part of this video. So this was after 7 months. I met my best friends after 7 months. Literally after 7 months. I met them last in March during my boats. So this was something which was very special. It was a surprise, and I love you both. So the evening went on with them, and now look what they got for me. This was my birthday gift. Look at it. After 7 months, I got my favorite thing. Oh, momos! मैं momos लाया हूँ सच्ची में.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanisha. Happy birthday to you.
इतना cool देखो और कोई momos काट रहा है. तू किसके साथ खाएगी?
तुझे किसके साथ खाना है?
Mayonnaise. वो बस क्या खा ले तूने?
ये सही तो उसने हमें मोमोज कटवा रहे हैं.
क्या हो गया? वो तू किसके साथ खाएगी?
नहीं नहीं मेरे तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं होता कैमरा मैन हूँ.
डेकोरेटर और कैमरामैन है.
लो
So this was the best thing actually. Momos after, and not any momos. These are from Cuties, my favorite ever tandoori momos. So thank you so much.
जब हम क्यूडी गए थे तुम्हें
हमने अफगानी खाए थे, लेकिन ये क्या?
अफगानी नहीं खाए थे हमने, वो खाए.
Sorry guys.
नहीं. क्यों? भाई देख कितने कुत्ते कार्ड्स आए हैं. देखिए जरा, हाईएस्ट कार्ड भी मैं अपना हाईएस्ट में नहीं रख सकती क्योंकि फिर ये तो
कलर बना लो.
हाँ, नाइस आइडिया. ये भी कर सकते.
ये इमेजिन करेगी तू एक बार.
इसमें इमेजिन मैन होता है और ये हाईएस्ट कार्ड
तो
है.
इसके अंदर तू तीन
ये आपका हाईएस्ट यही कार्ड है.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
कैसा है केक? हाय रोमांस. टाटा तो बोल दे. टाटा. After these two left, the evening was full of calls, Zoom calls, lot of video calls, and some special videos made by my family and friends, special notes from them, and I loved it. That's how the day ended.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanisha.
Happy birthday to you.
A big thank you to everyone. I love you all. So thank you everyone for all the love. This surely was a very, very special day. I'll always remember this 18th birthday. See you in the next video. Till then, ta-da!
Bye.